Every big success starts with a small step. Many people wait for the perfect time, but the truth is, there is no perfect time. If you want to improve your English, start today. Speak one sentence, learn five new words, make one mistake. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are teachers. If you want to be successful, do something every day. Not something big, just something small. Small steps every day create big results in the future. Do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday. Yesterday, you knew less. Today, you know more. Tomorrow, you will be better. Remember this. Slow progress is still progress. Start small, stay consistent, never quit. Your future is created by what you do today.